Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, we have here a Dell laptop E7410. Alright, this is the laptop. As you can see, we are putting a screen cover already on it. Okay, not to waste much time, yeah, we are only going to put on the top of the system. Okay, as you can see how Goodnews is doing it, and is doing it perfectly. Alright, yeah, the system, what is Dell E7410. Alright, this is a 10-gen system that is X360 is touchscreen. It has 16 gig RAM. It has is a Core i5 with a 10th gen processor speed, and then it has a Tumbo technology. All right, so it's very fast. The processor speed is very fast. Okay, and you can use the system for graphics design. You can use it for documentary, that's research. You can use it for any online courses you wish to do. It can go for, but it doesn't have an dedicated graphics card for you to do maybe a high video graphics. Okay, that's just the disadvantage, but it's very good for other works. It can do other works very well. Okay, you can see he's trimming each of those edges very well. Okay, that is one of the best thing of doing a laptop sticker work. All right, is you must make sure each of the edges you trim it very well, and after trimming it, you make sure you apply your lighter on it so that it gets meshed to the body. That's how they make the laptop skin. It gets just meshed to the body, to the point whereby you don't even know, cannot differentiate the body and the skin of the system. Okay, then the next thing is the logo. After this is the logo. After cutting each of those edges, okay, we have these laptops for these products for sale. Okay, if you are interested in buying, you can also chat me up on my WhatsApp link. All right, we do sell this product Dell E7410, and we also have other products. Okay, do well to also like and share this video to those that need it. All right, you can learn enough from here on how to apply a laptop skin sticker on a system. Okay, you can see the way he is cutting out each of those edges of those logo. All right, you use your needle to make sure you draw it out so that you have a perfect shape there, as you can see what he's doing. Okay, that's the way you do it. Okay, you don't have to use a razor to do that, because you may not have an accurate shape when you are doing that. You only use razor when you want to cut at the part which has been highlighted very well. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. You can see the work is done. It will be done perfectly. As you are seeing, it's almost done. Just remaining the other L and it's done. Okay, and when you are applying your sticker, you use a very plain surface like a card or an ID card, which you are seeing we use, or something so plain like that can make you have a smooth placement with no bubbles. Okay, that is it. Okay, you must use that so that you must have a smooth surface with no bubbles. Then after doing that, you still have to apply your heat, okay, on the surface so that it blends. All right, we are almost done. We are done here. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Follow us for more videos like this. See you in our next video. Thank you.